What's something people don't know about pollen? It's not the fluff that's the villain. It's tiny proteins on the pollen shell. Those proteins trigger your immune system into panic mode. Here's the quick science. Your body mistakes pollen proteins for dangerous invaders and launches an immune attack. Histamine floods in and causes sneezing, itching, congestion. Tip time. Check pollen forecasts and close windows on high days. Shower after being outside. Use a HEPA filter at home. Consider OTC antihistamines or talk to your doc for stronger options. Short version. Pollen is innocent. Your immune system isn't.